In this video, I'll show you how to add a drop-down list to a document in Docusign using a simple and practical workflow that most users can follow. After logging in, upload your document or select a template, then move to the editing screen where all field options are available. From the toolbar, choose the drop-down field and place it wherever needed on your document. You can then customize the list by adding predefined options, which helps standardize responses and reduce manual errors. It's important to assign the drop-down to the correct recipient so it functions properly during signing. Docusign makes this process intuitive, but poorly configured options can confuse users, so keep choices clear and relevant. You can also set default values or mark the field as required for better control. It's a good idea to limit the number of options to keep the experience simple for signers. Always preview before sending to ensure everything works as expected. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech tutorials that help you work smarter every day.